guys, welcome back to LJ Place, and today we have 2 full boxes of LOL Surprise Under Wraps Wave 2. Before we get started, I wanted to give shout outs to Deanna Dixon Donnelly and Kristen in Gold. Thank you for watching all our videos and commenting on them. Now, cue the music! One box, but we have 2 boxes. Isn't this so exciting, you guys? We got 2 boxes because there's 1 gold in each box. So we need 2 golds to complete the full set. So you got 2 boxes. Now that I've shown you that we have 2 boxes, let's take a closer look at them. Here is the front of the box with Kawaii Queen on it and Fierce. When you go to this side, there are 2 LOLs under wraps. And when you go to the back, everyone is on the back. As you can see, those 2 under wrap girls and those 2 under wrap girls and these 2 under wrap girls. That's Fierce and Kawaii Queen again. And then right here are the other 2 LOLs that are under wraps. And then that brings you back to the front. Now we have to pick which box we're going to open the LOLs from. This is a very hard decision. I think I'm going to go with this box. Let's start. Okay, let's take one of these out. And then... But before we just jump in to opening this ball, we have to weigh it. Let's weigh it. This ball weighs 326 grams. Now we can open it. Almost got the flair off. You guys, we got a gold ball. And we know because the bottom is pink and the middle is gold. Ooh. It looks like we got Kawaii Queen, I think, because we got the princess one and it's blue. Or it might be turquoise. I'm not very sure. It's probably turquoise. But who knows, it might be. Okay, so this one, we know this one is at a garden party. Okay, we know that one's at a garden party, so that's the outfit. That's the under wrap. And now we uncode her. Okay, so this one was hot and cold. Again, so let's save it for the last. From the Lucky Devil. Okay, this one was rainy and sunny. That is weird. Okay, and then we got this, the doll. Okay, so this one was sweet and sour. We got Kawaii Queen. I can see her hair. Look at it. It's so exciting. Oh my god, she's so cute. Get her out, get her out, get her out. Oh, there's so much glitter on her face. Look at her little flower cheeks. Look at how cute she is. I love this new hairstyle. It's so cute. So, I found her on this side and the first row. Ooh, her outfit's so cute. Okay, so she comes with a red outfit with a blue. I can't believe we got Kawaii Queen as our first pick. This is so exciting. Let's open another one. This time I'm going on this side. Got it. Let's weigh it. This capsule weighs 323 grams. Okay, so we got a hot pink ball. Ooh, it's some shiny mermaid. Got a purple mermaid. Okay, let's do the codes. Okay, so this one was rainy day again. Or rain and sunshine. Wait, I don't want to wait, but I have to. I don't have to, I just choose to. Don't know why. Okay, this one was sweet and sour. This bottle should be the outfit. This one was Crown Jewel. Okay, peace and love. And let's see who we got. It's Scribbles! His hair's like a cool. Look at it. Oh, his hat. Might as well have been yellow, then it would look exactly like his hair. Give it a mermaid. I found Scribbles on the bottom row on the left side. Here is Scribbles. He is a boy and his little sister is a girl. And I love his shirt. It is amazing. Let's open our next ball. Let's go for this side again. Okay, let's weigh it. This ball weighs 319 grams. I'm opening the capsule and I'm on the last layer. It's almost like the same one that came with Scribbles. Well, got the same hint to open the doll. Maybe it is Scribbles. It weighed different, but it doesn't seem to be different. And the accessory that came in the inside with the doll is different. That it was a hat, now it's a street bag. It is, oh my god, it's Fierce. It's super cool because we don't have her yet. And it's so awesome. I'm so excited to get there. Yeah! Whoa, her bottle looks like a leather bag. Well, not leather, like animal print. Her shoes, which are big boots. Big boots that kind of like her bottle. Boots that are leopard print, I think they're leopard or cheetah. And they have little red bottoms. Yeah, this should be the outfit. Which it is. Okay. Her outfit's super cute. It's like a swimsuit. It's not. It's like a, I don't know. It's kind of like a swimsuit. So I can explain it because that's what it is, kind of. It's not actually a swimsuit. It's just like, looks like a swimsuit. Now it's time for our final capsule. So, we picked from both sides. But, I don't know why. I just feel like going on here. Okay, so, let's weigh this. How much it weighs. This ball weighs 324 grams. We got both of the dolls on the box, Kawaii Queen and Fierce, and we got the boy Scribbles. So, the hint was at a garden party, And we got a hot pink ball. Now let's open this doll. It's Goodie! Goodie! Gloves. She comes with gloves on her face. Wait, not on her face. So, in the last video, instead of getting Goodie, we got Sister, and it came with all of Goodie's stuff. And we were pretty disappointed, but now we have the actual Goodie, and hopefully she comes with her actual stuff and not Sister's stuff. Let's see. Yep, it comes with her stuff. Let's see some hair, shoes. Shoes are in here. And then we got her like ballerina outfit. I call it ballerina outfit because that's what it looks like. It's very cute. Here is Goodie in her outfit, and I think that her dress looks so cool like that because it looks super poofy and just like her hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a like and comment down below who's your favorite out of the ones we opened today, and make sure to always stop by and watch your videos to get a shout out, and I love you all, and bye bye.